Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video I will show you to create a video using VEO3. As we know, Google VEO3 is a very powerful AI tool. So now let me go here and search for VEO3 AI. And here you will find out different websites. So you can use in aistudio.google.com, and if you scroll down here you can find out different other websites. So now let's go here, this one veo3ai.io, this one. So you can create your video from text as well as from image. Now let me select this one, text to video, and here we need to add a prompt, then we will get that video here. Now let me search for ChatGPT, and here I want to create a prompt. Please generate a prompt for enable website design ad display on Facebook. It is a web design agency. Then click here. Now ChatGPT will give us a prompt that we can simply copy it, and here you can see we have two options. We can select one of these and then copy it. After that, let's go back and add here, but before that we need to create a free account. Let me go here and click on sign in with Google, and if you have VK account then you can also create your account with that. Okay, now let's add a prompt and then scroll down. Here you can select the aspect ratio, width and height of video, and then you can select the duration, 5 seconds, 10 seconds. Then here you can select resolution 480, 1080 print. For 1080 you need to upgrade your package. Then after that click here generate video, and now it will ask for verification, and now it has started working on it. So guys, it can take few minutes. Let's wait for. So guys, here you can see within few seconds video is ready. Now we can play it, and to generate voice you can use 11 Labs AI. Here you can go and search for 11 Labs. Here you can add any of the text, then you can easily generate the voice for the video.